Switch on.
There will be a statement before Parliament. Whatever the legitimate demands, let's aggregate them in that statement, which will come before Parliament. And like I've told you, I wasn't here. The Honorable Minister of State made a statement which was succinct. And from what he said there is a way we operate. We are in charge of the police. Him and I are in charge of the police. We are not answerable for the activities of the Tonton Maputo. I thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Can we get ministerial policy statement from you?
Honorable Chairman, members of the committee,